Wednesday, December 14th, 2022. It's about 12 o'clock noon. The air temp's around, 59 or 60. Water temp's real similar. Not more than a degree or two delta. Water might be a little cooler. Really light, east-southeast breeze. So that's Mesa Lane down there, Santa Barbara Mesa. It's 6.5 miles, and background there is 23 miles at Muscle Shoals. Real low horizon today. It's typical with these kind of weather conditions. May even be a real obvious inferior mirage on that background landscape right down above the water. The curvy lines. Curious what these guys are fishing for. They've been there pretty much every day. I think that's that Canby Reef area straight out in front of the City College in Santa Barbara Harbor, about a mile out. So it'll be about 8 or 9 miles from here. So that's Platform Hogan at 17.8 miles. And to the left is Ventura Overhead area there where the 101 goes over that hill down toward the fairgrounds to the east. That's probably 30 miles. But the fairgrounds directly behind Hogan there is 32 miles. There's quite a bit of inferior mirage down there. Even though we've got pretty similar water temp and air temp as far as like the bulk water temp at least, there's a ton of inferior mirage down there on the surface. So that means there's warm air under cool. So the light is first bending down and then back up toward the camera here. So there's a reflection, basically like a hot road in the summertime. Yeah, to get that to turn around and so you can see the full surface of the water down there, past the rig, etc., you have to have really warm air versus the water. And I'm talking at least 10 to 15, 20 degrees warmer than the bulk water temperature before you can overcome that warm layer of air just above the water. At least that's my theory, and based on observation. It's evidence-based. Conejo Mountain and Platform Hatch in there. Conejo Mountain's 51 miles and 1,800 feet. Platform Henry, 16.8 miles, I think, 16.8, and then Saddle Peak there up in the background, 71 miles and around 2,800 feet. I think the main point in this scene here is that ridge between the left there where the Conejo Mountain is, and to the right where the land starts going back up. It's generally 1,100 feet at 50 miles with a low spot right in the center of the frame at 900 feet. It's always visible. All conditions, always. It should be hidden below the horizon at some point with 1,100 feet hidden height. Never hidden. Then the higher peaks here at 55 to 56 miles or 2,800 to 3,000 feet elevation. There's Platform Hill House. Still got some mirage along the base here. You can see the boom on the right reflecting. That's 14.6 miles. And Platform A. Platform B. Platform C. Looks like a crew boat there to the left. That crane on the left, they do a lot of supplies loading and offloading on that side, so maybe that's what they're up to. But I think that inferior Mirage is still there along the base of the rig and the boat. So Platform C is at 13.1 miles. The globe horizon should be at 8.2 miles nominally. Never seen anything close to that based on my observations. Yeah, that crane's moving around. You can see it's got a payload hanging under it there. It's going to drop it down on the boat. That's pretty cool. It's a little tighter. Yeah, so the deck of the boat, where they've dropped the loads, hiding in the Mirage. And what we're seeing there on the left side there, I think, is the superstructure, which is higher up. I'm guessing the top of that boat's somewhere around 20 feet. Maybe 30 at the most. There's the oil crew boat heading down that way too. So we got La Jolla Peak there and Clark's Peak in the background. Laguna Peak here with the domes on it above Magoo Naval Air Station. And Magoo Peak there at 50 miles, 1,260 feet elevation, and 1,160 should be hidden. Quite a bit of miraging there. You can see even that low point to the left is got some sky reflected below it there, just above the water. The land usually sticks way out here to the right, out toward Port Hueneme and Magoo Naval Air Station in the back, but it's hiding in the Mirage. We'll go back over here and look at C, see if they're doing any more crane around. Let's see, that boat just went behind the rig. Pop out on the other side. Yep. Another beautiful day.